Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Hello, my dear students. Good morning, all of you. Say good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Do you know who I am? Don't you know who I am? Myself, Lakshmi. I am new friend here. Okay? Myself, Lakshmi. I am new friend here. Okay? Tell me, what is your name? Lata. What is your name? Tell me, what is your name? Ashvika. Tell me, what is your name? Sanvika. How do we smell things with nose? How do we taste our food with tongue? How do we see things with eyes? How do we hear with ears? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears, skin. These are these are these are also called sense organs. Eyes, nose, tongue, ears, skin. These are also called sense organs. We have five sense organs: eyes, nose, tongue, ears, skin. These are sense organs. Sense organs play an important role of functions and help in pursuing our surroundings. Help in pursuing our surroundings. These are an integral part of our bodies that enable us to sense the environment around us. These are an integral part of our bodies that enable us to sense the environment around us. How many sense organs do we have now? How many sense organs do we have? Five sense organs. Now I am going to show TLM. Eye. Explain eye. We have two eyes. We can see our eyes. We have two eyes. We can see our eyes. Nose. We have one nose. We breathe and smell. Nose. We have one nose. We breathe and smell. Next, ears. We have two ears. We hear with our ears. We have two ears. We hear with our ears. Tongue. We have one tongue. We can taste the tongue. We have one tongue. We can taste the tongue. Next sense organ, skin. The largest sense organ of our body. Skin. The largest sense organ of our body, skin, and it relates to the sense of touch, and it relates to the sense of touch. These classic five sensory organs help in surround, light, help in sound, light, smell, taste, and touch respectively. These classic five sensory organs helps in surround, sound, light, smell, taste, and touch respectively. Eyes are sensitive all to all light images, collects the data from an environment to your brain for processing. Nose. Nose help us to perceive a variety of smells. Nose help us to perceive a variety of smell. Also play a role in sensing taste and part of body respiratory system. Nose help us to perceive a variety of smell. and also play a role of sensing taste. Nose help us to perceive a variety of smell. Part of body respiratory system. Nose is a part of and it's a part of body respiratory system. Nose is a part of body respiratory system. Nose help us to perceive a variety of smell, and nose part of and also play a role and also play a main role of body respiratory system. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. Ears. Ears known as the auditory ears. Ears known as the auditory sense organ. Ears play an important role in hearing or perceiving sounds. Ears known as the auditory sense organs. Ears play an important role in hearing perceiving sounds. Tongue. Tongue, one of one of our sense organ is the tongue. Tongue, one of our sense organ is the tongue that helps in perceiving taste and flavors. Due to the presence of taste buds, one of our sense organ is the tongue that helps in perceiving taste and flavors. Due to the presence of taste buds. Skin, the largest sense organ of our body. Skin, and it relates to the sense of touch. The largest sense organ of our body is skin, and it relates to the sense of touch. The three major functions of skin are protection our body, sensation, regulation. The three skin is the three major functions of our body. Protection of body, sensation, regulation. These three major functions of our skin. The three major functions of skin are protection, sensation, regulation. Evaluation. Now I am going to ask some questions. How many sense organs? How many sense organs? How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, nose, tongue, skin, ears. Eyes, nose, tongue, skin, ears. We can see with the eyes. We can see with the eyes. We can smell with the nose. We can taste with the tongue. We can touch with the skin. We can hear with the ears. Close the demo. We can see with the eyes. We can smell with the nose. We can taste with the tongue. We can touch with the skin. We can hear with the ears.